Hi, it's Carol. Today I'm going to show you some very cool things. Before I even say the first thing, I want to tell you that the baby powder that I rave about, that I had bought it on Amazon, two containers for $11.99. Well, now I found 3 for $6 on Walmart. So I'm going to put the link down below. So run. Also, this L'Oreal Ever Pure Glossing 5-minute Lamination Mask. I don't even remember why I bought it, but it is fabulous. Fabulous. You wash and rinse out your hair, and then you put this on. Clip it up, wash your body, do whatever you want to do for 5 minutes in the shower, and then you rinse this off. And your hair, it's silky, it's beautiful. It's absolutely beautiful. I absolutely approve of this. And the Everpure Glossing System instantly boosts hair shine by intensely smoothing hair fibers to beautifully reflect light. That's right. That's what it did. In just one use, this transformational system provides intense fiber care and helps seal hair with a lasting glaze. For hair that is smooth with a laminated, intense glass shine that lasts up to 5 days. Experience a luxurious lather with our expert formulas and formulated with glycolic acid. Leave on for 5 minutes and then rinse. It really makes a difference. I thought, oh, this isn't going to work. It worked. I just found a dupe for one of MAC's lipsticks. The MAC lipstick is Myth, number 814. New packaging, new bullet, and the new billets are longer. But I found a dupe for it, and the dupe is NYX Turned Up in number 15, Tangerine. I'll put Tangerine there. And Myth. But this is $25. I did get it for $15. They had the lipstick sales last week. But look at that. So I have 2 other MAC lipsticks I got. This one is PEACHSTOCK. Let's see. Ooh, I hate to ruin it. Do it this way. PEACHSTOCK and Myth. Then I have CREME de Nude 833. Now you want to make your lipsticks nude, but not too nude. I just put this over pink. CREME de Nude. Huh. Okay, it's a little pinkier. This is PEACHSTOCK. It's much peachier. This is a little pinkier. And then you've got Myth. Myth is a little pinkier than the NYX Tangerine, but it's pretty close in the brightness. So we've got Myth, PEACHSTOCK, and CREME de Nude. That is PEACHSTOCK. Okay, so PEACHSTOCK is calmer than Myth. PEACHSTOCK is pretty cool. I like it. Myth is brighter. Let's try CREME de Nude. Okay, so that's more of a pinky nude. Okay. Now, you see, I have like a ton of MAC lipsticks. I've changed all the caps. I've bought clear caps, so I can see the lipsticks when they're on the counter, and I can see what colors they are, or having to read every label. I could just see the the product. To these little caps, I'll put a link down below for these. I replace all my MAC lipsticks with this because I want to see what I have. All right, this is Creme de Nude. Yeah, I think it has a little pink tint to it. Now, if it's too much for you, what I would do is put a lipstick, just highlight. See, I would use it as a highlight. So I would put lipstick all over. Say I put this Paulina by Melt. And then I just put that to highlight it. Or Caramel Cream by LA Colors. That's how I would wear it. And that was Myth. I would put it like in the center. And then this is PEACHSTOCK. You could use this also. Myth is brighter. I put a gloss, and this gloss is amazing. It's by Rimmel, and it's Stay Glossy, and this is the clear one. And then, to top that off, my L'Oreal Halo Glow, and you see that sheen? Ooh! And I like to have a pop, a lighter pop of color on the bottom. You could see what lipstick you have in each bullet. You go like that. So this is Lady Danger. This is my favorite red. It's kind of foggy. I don't know why. But you get the idea. Then I have my sunscreen, which I already put on, but I'll do it again. Look how easy. I have one for the car, one for my studio when I put on my makeup. I like to get the hands, the top of the hands, and the forearms. In fact, I don't like to go to the beach without sleeves. I like to wear sleeves because I don't want to get sun on my arms. So anyway, while I cool off here, I just want to wish you a wonderful day, a wonderful night, a wonderful week. And remember, I appreciate you, and I'm so happy you are here. Have a great day. Mwah. I love you all. Inside, 'cause love takes time.